Guys, so today I am going to make an African dish, actually Cameroonian dish called Bongo, which is a soup that is more on the darker side. Actually it's black. It's a black soup. The soup itself is called Bongo, and then depending on what you're putting in, you're either going to call it Tchobi or a different type of thing. I don't know what the meat is called with it, but I'm making the Mbongo Tchobi because the fish is called Tchobi, so I'm making Mbongo Tchobi today. The complement for this meal will be ripe plantain and Macabo, which is it's a root. At the store it's called Taro. It's a root. It's a type of root that you can eat. They have different types, but this one specifically is Taro. It's Macabo. To achieve this powder, you have to mix a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna have to figure out what these are all actually called, because I know some of them and some I don't know. But apart from that, I will just give you the other spices that you need. You will need hot pepper. If you eat hot pepper, you will need tomatoes. I am putting 3. You can put 1 or 2. Usually people don't put a lot. I'm gonna put a little bit of some peanuts, roasted peanuts. You don't have to put it. You will definitely need onion. It's a soup that requires a lot of onion, so we're gonna have to blend this one and we're gonna fry this onion. You will need some oil, white pepper, cube. If you eat cube, you will need some. I usually don't cook with more than 2, so you should probably use 2 of these. Salt, of course, and then djansang. Djansang is another Cameroonian spices. I don't know how they call it in different countries, but I think that's all. And then I believe this is ginger. Yep, ginger leaves. I believe that's what it is. If not, I'm gonna figure out what these traditional things are. And you also have this it looks like a tree. It's like a tree thing, but it has a smell. It gives that smell to the bongo. So that's all for this, and obviously you need your fish.